Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests and Pakistan Stock Exchange family, Assalamu alaikum. It is indeed a great honor to stand here at this gong ceremony, a celebration of financial vitality and economic resilience. As we gather here, we recognize the pivotal role of the capital market in shaping economic landscape of our nation. I would also like to congratulate Pakistan Stock Exchange, PSX, NCCPL, CDC, Securities and Exchange Commission of Pakistan, SECP, Ministry of Finance,
निगरान वज़ीर आज़म अनवार काकर पाकिस्तान स्टॉक एक्सचेंज में पाकिस्तान की माशी और इक़्तिसादी लचक के हवाले से तकरीब से खिताब कर रहे हैं। निगरान वज़ीर आज़म रस्मी घंटा बजाने की तकरीब में भी शरीक होंगे। निगरान वज़ीर आज़म अनवार काकर पाकिस्तान स्टॉक एक्सचेंज में पाकिस्तान की माशी और इक़्तिसादी लचक के हवाले से तकरीब में शरीक हैं और इस तकरीब से खिताब कर रहे हैं।
In addition to the conventional process conducted through the State Bank of Pakistan. The envisioned changes aim to simplify participation in government securities auctions, diversify the investor base, lower borrowing costs, and enhance transparency. I will also like to appreciate if the market participants take their due part in the first primary auction of government Ijra Sukuk through PSX platform. Especially encourage the participation of retail investors. This is the collective responsibility of the Exchange, Pakistan Stock Brokers Association, Security and Exchange Commission of Pakistan, and all other market participants to promote this upcoming primary market auctions. Your participation will contribute to making this event a remarkable achievement for the entire market ecosystem. Stock exchange is a dynamic force, a heartbeat that resonates with the aspiration of businesses, investors, and the broader community. Today, as we ring the gong, we herald not just market transactions, but a symphony of progress and prosperity. Initially, Pakistan's economy faced multiple challenges at the start of financial year 23-24, but the GOP tried to solve the structural and macroeconomic issues which helped to improve the economy. I would like to thank the effort of all stakeholders to bring our economy back on track by lowering the exchange rate of dollar from all-time high of approximately 307 on September 5th, 2023 in the interbank market to around 284 today. This helped to bring the inflation down to 29.23% on YOY basis for the month of November 2023. Investors regained their confidence after government's successful signing of the IMF standby agreement, execution of the financial year 2024 budget, and improvements in fiscal and external accounts. These positive developments have significantly contributed to a favorable economic outlook. Alhamdulillah, this bullish sentiment was possible due to the improved economy and especially the participation of foreign investors due to low price earnings ratio, high dividend yield, and stabilized exchange rate, pushing the KSE 100 to surge to 40% since early September, reaching an unprecedented level. In the realm of finance, the capital market serves as a catalyst for innovation, entrepreneurship, and growth. It provides fuel to business to expand, create jobs, and contribute to overall development of society. As part of federal government, we are committed to fostering an environment that nurtures and sustains this growth. In this era of rapid change, the resilience of our capital market becomes even more critical. It acts as a stabilizing force, absorbing shocks and steering our economy towards stability. We must continue to embrace innovation, enhance regulatory framework, and ensure transparency to fortify the foundation on which our capital market stands. The gong we sound today echoes not only these walls, but across the financial corridor of our nation. It signals our commitment to fostering an inclusive and robust financial ecosystem, one that welcomes diverse voices and ensures that the benefits of economic prosperity are shared by all. As we celebrate this ceremony, let us reflect the journey that brought us here, and we look forward to the opportunities that lie ahead. Today, let us continue to build a capital market that not only reflects the strengths of our economy, but also embodies the values of fairness, integrity, and sustainability. Thank you, and may the resonance of this gong reverberate through the prosperity of our capital market and the well-being of our nation. I thank you all.